We're here today powering the East Midlands Hydrogen Summit with a hydrogen power unit with hydrogen produced here on site at HyMarnham, the former coal-fired power station.
Since the last East Midlands Hydrogen Summit, there have been some exciting developments. So Cadent secured almost £43 million to progress the pipeline design for one stage of the hydrogen pipeline. And secondly, there have been some developments, particularly at HyMarnham. So we know that huge amounts of low carbon hydrogen can be produced here. And there's a plan to route the pipeline now. Instead of going west from the Humber, the pipeline will come south and will connect to HyMarnham. And that will open up the opportunity to make vast amounts of hydrogen that can be used to decarbonise industry and power generation.
What's really encouraging is that over only the last 3 or 4 years, we've seen the whole of this hydrogen project in the Midlands move forward really incredibly. And to be here at HyMarnham, to actually see the work that's going on, to see the results with GeoPura and others, to understand now about the new pipeline developments is so encouraging, and we should all be very pleased that this can happen here.
Something that's happening differently here at HyMarnham and in other places as well is that we're producing hydrogen. This is the biggest site in the UK that does it in an entirely clean way. So hydrogen is produced using electrolysis, which is basically renewable electricity being passed through water to split it into hydrogen and oxygen, and there's zero emission in the process.
So today we're just scratching the surface of the production here at HyMarnham, but the site has capacity to probably increase production by over 100 times, and particularly Cadent have now announced that the gas pipeline, it can only help the site grow.
Hydrogen we used as our main power source for the Such World Cup last year, held in Nottingham, saving 5,000 kilograms of CO2. The hydrogen solution for the World Cup took a bit of planning, but actually when it came down to it, it was simple. It was effectively a plug-and-play solution.
So today has shown us that HyMarnham, but indeed the East Midlands, is at the heart of the opportunity for hydrogen in the future. And what it will bring is new skills, new jobs, development of new technology, the innovation, and the opportunity for businesses who are high energy users can use hydrogen